Welcome, friends. It's time to choose a new president.
I'm taller than anyone else. Vote for me.
Thank you, Mr. Giraffe. Your turn, Miss Elephant.
I'm bigger than anyone else. Vote for me.
But I'm faster than you.
And I live longer than you.
Yes, I
Quiet, everyone. It's time to vote. Listen now. We have a new president.
Ooh.
The animal with the most votes is Mr. Ant.
Mr. Ant? But he's the smallest.
Yes, but he's the hardest worker.
Thank you, everyone. This is the best day of my life. Hip, hip, hooray!
hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray!
I promise to do my best for all of you.
Mr. President, can I have the first dance?